Hey guys, happy Monday. We're here today to figure out how we fix our grades and how we actually add some detail from the text to fix our grades. Most of the time, when we have a text in front of us, doesn't matter what teacher you have, it doesn't matter what grade you are in, we want you to use words from the text. So when you're reading the text, it is really important to circle and highlight certain words. So in Station 1, Arab Life, the first question asked us, what is the Arabian Peninsula like? Describe its geography. Now, before we even try to answer it, we should look at the reading to try to see if we can steal any words or borrow any words or phrases from the actual text. So I have to describe the physical look and feel of the Arabian Peninsula. And here's the text. Water is available on the Arabian Peninsula, only at scattered springs and water holes. Such a spot is an oasis. At an oasis, trees and other plants grow. Not all of Arabia is a desert, however, there are mountains and valleys in the southwestern region. Enough rain falls in these locations for olives and juniper trees to grow. Now, I could literally just take this whole thing and rewrite it as my answer. However, those would not be my words. If I were to do that, I would have to add in my answer, in the text, it says, put a comma, and then put a quotation mark right there, and then another quotation mark right down here, because those aren't my words. So far, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, and Mr. Rods wants 2 full sentences out of me. So I have written 0 sentences so far. So this is a good way to get evidence, but it's not really a good way to answer questions in your own words. So let's figure out how to answer this question in our own words. Remember, our question is, what is the Arabian Peninsula like? Describe its geography. Let's just take some single words out of here and see if we can use them to describe the Arabian Peninsula. Now it says water is available. I know that's going to be important for me to talk about because it describes the peninsula. They do have some watering holes. It's another good phrase I can steal. Oasis, obviously it's bolded. That's got to be a vocab word. So we're going to take that one and borrow it. We know that trees and plants grow. We're probably going to have to describe what an oasis is. It's not all desert. Good way to talk about it. And there are mountains and valleys. Just take words. Remember, you try not to take the whole sentence because then you're just going to copy the whole sentence. So I'm just taking certain words and highlighting them so I can actually use this in my answer. So now I'm going to try it with my own words. So we know that it's at least a desert because it was mentioned. Arabia is mostly a desert. Let's look back at what else we can talk about. Water is available at watering holes. Such a spot is an oasis. So let's say, however, you can get water in certain spots called oases. Oops, there we go. Called an oasis. There we go. Let's get this perfect. What else can we say? We can say that there are definitely mountains and valleys, and trees and other plants grow in these watery spots. So remember, I am not copying and pasting. I am not using this word for word. I am just borrowing certain words and putting my words around it. There are mountains and valleys in Arabia. It is not all desert. Some olive trees and juniper trees grow in the southern region. Now, I did not copy and paste. I did not use all of their words. I just used some of their words. So that's how you add detail from the text while keeping it in your own words. Thanks for watching this, guys. Make sure you go back and you revise all of the mistakes you made on these two stations, and you should get an A+. See you guys in the next one.